Hi friends, this is 5 YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can switch off or power off your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, you go to find out a key on the right side, which is power button, and you go to find out a key on the left side, that is up key. This is volume up key. So you got to use here power button and volume up key together. Just press these two buttons together and then only you will see power off option and click it. And your phone will be switched off. So this method is different from other devices like OnePlus 7, OnePlus 8 and so on, because there only power button will be used for switch off phone, but here you go to press both power button and volume up button to have the power off option in your phone. If you experience one vibration, then you can make sure that your phone is switched off. Yes, it is switched off now. To switch on your phone again, you got to use only power button. This time you don't need to use volume up key, just you can use power key. Just long press it, long press on the power key and your phone will be switched on. So OnePlus CE2 Lite 5G has different method of switch off or power off, so you got to learn it. If you don't know, you should probably Google it, or you will search on YouTube, and here we have the solution. Yes, now phone is restarting and it's loading. Just wait few seconds. So remember that to switch off your phone, you got to simultaneously press power button and volume up button, and then you got to press power off option there. Yes, phone is restarted. That is, after switch off my phone, I again switched on. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.